Good morning, and welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another vlog. And today we have quite a few things we need to get done. Starting off with the Miata. When I was headed home from work, I took it to work the other day. I did notice that my boost was not kicking in. I didn't have any more boost, and I was trying to look over it and see what all was wrong with it and stuff, but I couldn't figure that out. But I just looked under it, and this is the culprit. I don't know if y'all can see in there, but my intercooler piping actually came off. You know, I'm pushing a little bit too much boost, looks like it. In order for me to try to get that fixed, I think I'm gonna just jack up that side of the car and just connect it back with a screwdriver or maybe a ratchet. I don't know, whichever one's easier. I'm not gonna try to take the bumper off or anything. I don't need to do that. I don't need to go under the hood. Once I do that, then I can finally get started with the rest of the video. Well, time to try it out. Hopefully that fixed the issue. I don't see why that wouldn't be majority of the issue, if not all of the issue. That was a huge boost leak. As you saw, there was no intercooler piping connected, so it was just getting air straight from the outside into the throttle body. So yeah, here's my boost gauge that I have, and hopefully it works. Okay, so it wasn't building any boost at first, so as long as it gets past 0, then we good. I think a police is behind me. Well, we back in business. Number one thing on our list that we have to do today, check. The second thing on the list of things that I have to do today with my Miata is, it just so happens to deal with the AC. I just got the AC refilled and stuff, and so, you know, your boy's riding cool and everything now. One thing that I've been needing to do since I got the car, and I've just put it on the back burner because I don't really drive it, is fix the fan. Like, if you listen to it, you can hear it's very loud, and it gets even louder whenever the AC is actually on, like the car is on, the AC is on, and I need to fix that. In order to fix that, all I have to do is come over here to the passenger side, get under here. You can see the fan, it's right here, and there should be 3 bolts holding it in, and I'm gonna take it down and see if there's anything lodged into it. Hopefully that's my problem, and hopefully that fixed it. Oh gosh. Hopefully I had the angle good enough for y'all, but look at all this. Leaves, debris, everything you don't want in your blower motor. But I'm gonna clean this out and then reassemble it all and see if that changes anything. Hopefully it does. Alright, so we got it started up, and moment of truth. Let's turn this thing on. Dog. Y'all just don't understand. It is so much quieter. Like, the fan getting all that debris and stuff out of there. If you have a noise coming from your AC, you might need to check that in your Miatas or in any other cars if you know, you're having some kind of weird noise. But this was a barn find car, so it does make sense that that was in there and I had to get that all out. But yeah, it's a whole lot quieter now, and such a relief. I'm gonna have to try to fix my headlight because I do have a good amount of overspray on it from whenever I did DIY paint my car. I did not record that for you guys because I did just want to get it done, and it still took a lot longer than I thought it was gonna take. But now I'm just gonna, you know, clean off my headlights again, sand them down and put a little coating over it, and hopefully that solves my problem. And I also do have new bulbs because these bulbs, I don't think I ever changed them out. So new headlights, new headlights. I actually just changed out the passenger side bulb and left the original one in the driver's side, but now I'm just gonna test it and see. Y'all probably aren't gonna be able to tell the difference like I am, but here we go. And oh yeah, from what I can see, the passenger side is a little bit brighter. Oh wait, I think y'all can see that on the camera. Yeah, look how yellow or dim the driver's side is. Oh, it just adjusted a little bit. But the passenger side is brighter, you can tell. I don't know. I think I'm gonna be kind of satisfied with the results that I get later on. I'm gonna drive it whenever it's dark and test that out for myself. But so far, so good. Let me go ahead and change out this driver's side bulb and then get on back to the next thing that I have to do, and hopefully it's the last thing that I have to do. So I just backed the car into the garage, and the very last thing that I have to do on today is dealing with the A-pillar and my AFR gauge and my boost gauge. Y'all probably can't tell because the camera is picking up very good, but my boost gauge is always on dim, and I cannot change the colors. If you're familiar with glow shift gauges, they're supposed to be able to change color, and they're supposed to be able to go from bright to dim whenever you turn your lights on because it's nighttime, but mine doesn't do that. And my AFR gauge, let me show y'all under here. Here's my fuse panel under the dash, And as you can see, I have two wires coming from here. These are both going to my gauges, and one of them is my AFR gauge, one of them is my boost gauge. I don't really remember which one, but I need to clean this up because my AFR gauge does go out because of this connection. I do have some adapter fuses that I'm gonna try to put in here and then just stick the fuse back into the adapter, and hopefully I can clean that up. And I'm gonna take this A-pillar down, and cause look at this, look how jank this looks, bruh. And I've been running it like this forever because this was supposed to be a temporary setup. And under here, my foot always like hits this. I just need to clean this up. And we finally have everything buttoned back up. As you can see, the top part's buttoned up, the A-pillar is back on. This is the only thing that you can see. I don't necessarily think that's the best that I could have done, but that's gonna work. And I'm pretty happy with what I did today. And now for the moment of truth, because I haven't even started it up or anything. Hopefully, if y'all saw the clip earlier, you saw that my AFR gauge, it was working, but it tends to like blank out from here and there, and my tune is actually related to my AFR, so whenever this goes out, my car tends to act funny and then shut off by itself. But the boost gauge, I don't know if y'all saw while I was driving earlier, but it was dim and it was like not even colorful or anything. So I have all that buttoned up. Hopefully, fingers crossed that I do. But let me go ahead and get this key in the ignition. And look, we have color, which is always a good sign. Does it change? Yes, it changes. Bruh, I don't think y'all know how hype I am for that. Dog, it's been so long since I installed this thing, and for it to finally change colors, I am gonna put it to green like I do. Oh wait, I need to see if it dims. Whenever I turn the lights on, it dims as well. Oh, and I can check out my headlights and stuff because it's dark outside now. But let me go ahead. You know I gotta switch it to the green to match everything else. What? No way, there's a color changing mode. That's wild. I'm not gonna use it though, but you know, change this thing to green. Yes, to go ahead and match the rest of the cluster. Like I said before, I am pretty stoked about everything that I've done today. It was pretty much so a maintenance video, a maintenance vlog, and it was very well needed. I got some stuff done on the Miata that I need to get done. It seems like this is a good spot for me to go ahead and end today's video. I am gonna take this thing out of the garage real quick. I'm not gonna drive it or anything, but I do need to look at the headlights. And like I said, I'm just gonna look at the headlights, make sure they're all good and everything. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, so hopefully the sealant that I put on the headlights, it's been enough time. Hopefully that's cured all the way through because this rain is supposed to be coming down hard. But I'm gonna end the video right here. If you like the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Leave some positive vibes in the comment section below, and let me know if you like this style of video, or if you want to see more action, or if you want to just see me fooling around with each one of my vehicles, or whichever one that you want to see the most. Just let me know in the comment section. But like always, remember to do more, be more, believe more, and achieve more. And I thank you all for watching.